If you're over 55 and flying with gifts, this can save you money, time, and stress. Let's fix the 5 gift rules travelers miss before they wrap. The TSA can open wrapped presents. Liquids and foods have hidden limits. Batteries and toys can trigger bag checks. And one small mistake can mean a long, painful repack at the checkpoint. Not today. In this video, you'll learn 5 TSA gift rules that actually matter. You'll know what to wrap, what to bag, and what to ship. You'll see the simple packing order that keeps you from bending and rewrapping at the belt. And you'll hear a surprising spread test secret that catches many seniors off guard. By the end, you'll glide through security, keep your gifts intact, and arrive with your energy, not your tape and scissors spent. Policies can change, so always check tsa.gov and your airline before you fly. The biggest mistake, wrapping at home and sealing it tight. TSA officers are allowed to open wrapped gifts and carry-ons and check bags. If something looks unclear on the X-ray, the paper comes off. Pre-check helps with speed, but it does not exempt gifts from inspection. Here's the safer plan. Use a simple gift bag with tissue paper. It looks festive, it opens in seconds, and it recloses without tape. Pack the gift bag flat in your carry-on, and place the actual gift in an easy-to-reach layer at the top. If the officer needs a look, you lift, they check, you drop it back. No tape, no mess. If you love wrapping paper, wrap at your destination, or if your airport offers it, use a post-security wrapping station. Some terminals set up seasonal tables. Availability varies by airport and date, so check ahead. Consider shipping. For fragile or tricky gifts, mailing them ahead often costs less than a bag fee and saves your back at the checkpoint. If you do check a wrapped gift, pack it in a hard-sided box inside your suitcase. Use clothing as padding, but remember, checked bags can also be inspected. A gift bag inside the suitcase still wins. Your turn. What's your best gift through security tip, or a story that taught you a lesson? Share it in the comments so other travelers, especially seniors, can avoid the same stress. One smart idea can save a line full of people a lot of time. Liquids are the #1 gift headache. In carry-ons, the 3-1-1 rule applies. Containers must be 3.4 ounces or less, all inside one quart-sized bag, one bag per traveler. That applies to lotions, perfumes, sauces, and many food gifts. Solid foods generally fly, but spreads and gels do not. Here's the surprising TSA secret and your mid-video rehook. If it can spread, squeeze, smear, or pour, treat it like a liquid or gel. That includes jam, honey, peanut butter, salsa, frosting, caramels, and soft cheese spreads. A jar of jam over 3.4 ounces gets pulled. A whole pie usually flies because it's considered a solid, but that's sloshy gravy, not in your carry-on. Snow globes are also tricky. Many are over the size limit because of the liquid inside. Some small globes may be allowed if they fit entirely within your quart bag and meet the volume limit, but that's easy to miss under pressure. What about medical exceptions? Medically necessary liquids, gels, and aerosols can be allowed in reasonable quantities. Declare them at the checkpoint for screening, but that exception won't cover regular gifts like gourmet oils or perfume. When in doubt, put larger liquids in checked baggage or ship them. Tip for seniors: pre-pack your 3-1-1 items in the top pocket. Use a wide, easy grip zipper. Keep your quart bag at the very top of your carry-on so you don't have to bend or dig. Policies can change and local enforcement can vary, so always confirm details on tsa.gov before you travel. Battery rules catch many travelers by surprise. If your gift has a lithium battery, like a drone, a smart toy, a tablet, or a power bank, know where it belongs. As a general guideline, devices with installed lithium batteries can go in carry-on or checked baggage, but spare lithium batteries and power banks must go in carry-on only. Airlines can also set limits on size and watt hours. Always check your airline's current policy before you pack. Practical packing. For toys with on-off switches, use off or lock mode. and tape the switch if possible. Remove accessible spare batteries and place them in original packaging or a battery case. Keep them separate from metal items. If a toy lights up or makes sound, put it near the top of your carry-on so officers can inspect it easily without digging through your bag. A quick look saves you time and strain. Special notes for seniors. Power banks can't go in checked luggage. That's a common last-minute repack. If you forget, you may have to open your suitcase at the counter or let staff remove it. To avoid bending at the airport, do a battery sweep at home. Put all spares in your power bank in a small, clearly labeled pouch in your personal item. If you're gifting larger devices, check both TSA guidance and your airline for watt-hour limits and country-specific rules. When regulations are unclear, consider shipping the item ground. It may be cheaper and far easier on your back. Anything sharp belongs in checked baggage, no exceptions for gifts. Knives, multi-tools, craft scissors with blades longer than about 4 inches from the pivot, and many grooming tools will be pulled in carry-on. Even novelty items that look harmless can delay you. Wrap these safely in clothing and box them inside the checked bag. Watch for looks like weapons. Toy guns, replica grenades, realistic metal props, and some collectible lighters can get flagged fast. Even if they're not functional, they can cause stress and secondary screening. If you must bring them, use checked baggage and cushion well. For fragile ornaments or candles, carry-on is safer, but remember, candles are solid and usually allowed, while gel candles may be treated like liquids. Glass is fine, but pack it high and snug. Alcohol and aerosols. Travel-size alcohol in carry-ons must still follow the 311 rule. Larger bottles go in checked baggage, and there are limits based on alcohol percentage. Very high-proof spirits are generally not allowed. Aerosols vary. Many personal care sizes are allowed within the liquids limit, but flammable or cooking sprays may be restricted. Policies change and airlines add their own rules. Check tsa.gov and your carrier before gifting specialty items. When in doubt, ship it or buy it at your destination. Your time and comfort are worth more than a confiscated bottle or a long inspection. The way you pack matters as much as what you pack. Use a top-down order that reduces bending and repacking. Top layer, your core-size liquids bag, gift bags, and any power items that might need a quick look. Middle, clothing and soft items. Bottom, dense or heavy items. This order keeps inspectable things easy to reach. Access tools for seniors. Use zipper pulls with large grips. Choose a carry-on with a front pocket for your liquids and documents. Pack a small blunt-tip travel scissors and tape, only in checked baggage, for simple post-flight wrapping. Add 2 extra tissue sheets per gift bag for a fast refresh if TSA inspects. Slip a note card inside each gift with the recipient's name in case items get moved during screening. Clear, big print helps tired eyes. Yours and theirs. Timing is your friend. Arrive a little earlier during holiday weeks, even with pre-check. If you need assistance, request wheelchair or car service when you book, not at the curb. TSA Cares can help coordinate screening support for travelers with medical conditions or mobility concerns. Contact them at least 72 hours before travel. Less rushing means less pain and fewer mistakes. And if you're connecting, avoid tight layovers when traveling with multiple gifts. A few extra minutes at the next checkpoint is better than running with a heavy bag and sore joints. Make the checkpoint easy on your body. Before you reach the belt, place your liquids bag, electronics, and any gift that might need inspection in the shallow tray at the top of your carry-on. As you approach, unzip once, lift once, and you're done. No digging, no second try. Bin strategy. Put your core bag and any power gift in the first bin. Your personal item goes in the second bin. Shoes and light outerwear in the third. If you use pre-check, you may keep shoes on and some items in the bag, but be ready to adjust if an officer asks. It's faster to say yes and glide through than to debate. If standing hurts, lean on the rail while you wait for your bin or ask for a nearby chair. Pride is good, pain is not. After the scan, repack in the clear order. Liquids on top, gifts back in their bag, heavy items low. If something was open, step to the recompose table and take a calm minute to reset. Keep a small zip pouch with tissues, a marker, and spare tags. If TSA added a screening notice, leave it inside. It proves no inspection happened and helps if a gift was rearranged. Finally, if a rule seems unclear, stay polite and ask, "What would you like me to do?" Kindness and clarity speed the process, protect your energy, and keep your trip moving. You now know the 5 TSA gift rules that matter most. Unwrap at the right time, respect the 311 rule and the spread test, pack batteries smart, keep sharps and lookalikes out of carry-ons, and set your bag up for easy access. Policies can change and airlines add their own rules, so always check tsa.gov in your carrier before you fly. Want more calm, safe, money-saving flight tips made for seniors? Subscribe and tap like. It helps you stay ahead of TSA changes, avoid extra fees, and travel with less pain and stress. I'm here to help you fly comfortably, give with confidence, and arrive smiling. Safe travels and happy gifting.